In this tutorial I will show you how to set up SMTP server in Gmail. First open your internet browser. Go to gmail.com. And then click on your profile photo on the upper right. Now tap on Manage your Google account. Select on Security, the one on the left side menu. Click on Two-Step Verification. Here Google will ask you to use your phone as a device prompt. Then click on Continue to make sure you have your phone ready. Add your phone number here. Then Google will send you a text message with a verification code. Click Turn On. Two-step verification is already on. Then scroll all the way down and click on App Passwords. In here select the app and device for which you want to generate the app password. Just type in SMTP. Then click on Generate. Here is your app password for your device.